back one is not that bad. The front one is terrible.
Ooh, that's nice. I didn't realize it was that bad.
It is, man. That's what I'm saying. I don't want to ride.
You like this spot?
Yeah, I'm thinking if it was Florida, we wouldn't be able to be this close to the water.
Crocodiles?
Yeah.
So we have made it out today. It has been ridiculous. I set my alarm late. Well, to start it off, I set my alarm late last night, so I woke up at the time that I was supposed to be meeting Amir, not the time that I was actually supposed to be waking up to get there on time. So anyhow, jumped out of bed, just got done, got ready as quick as possible, made it out, and yeah, basically today is kind of how it is, just getting out, enjoying being on the bike, not actually having anything. The reason why I don't have anything besides the Action 4 is because now, in my last video, I flew the drone at one of my favorite spots, and the day after that, government has decided that now you're not allowed to fly drones, as far as I understand what they're writing. If you guys know, they always write a giant paragraph when they want to say like a sentence, but from what I've gathered is you're not allowed to fly drones within 30 miles of DC anymore, which sucks because like most of where I ride, since it's all around water, basically keeps me within that 30 miles. Still up in Laurel right now, a little bit north of Laurel. We are still within there, so I didn't even bother bringing the drone. So just making it out, enjoying, seeing what we can get. Wanted to stop over there, but there were some old women getting done their morning kayak and knew that they were not going to have it loaded up within half an hour. So saw this little spot when we were driving past, so decided to stop here. And yeah, sometimes you just gotta roll with it. Happy Amir is finally starting to make it out more. Yeah, basically just enjoying our time, getting out on the bikes, trying to beat the heat. So I do want to show you guys something cool that I came up with on this little SW Motec bag. I put some Peak Design little tabs on it. So now I can carry around my camera strap and hook it right on and make it a sling bag, which is a nice little attachment, I think. So just making this little small bag even better. Whatever this video has turned into, if you guys have liked it, give me a thumbs up. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, of course, as always, leave them down below and I'll get back to you. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Just do it like this. Voila. Buy a Honda.